Hello, I'm Evan with Weaver Leather Supply. Today I'm going to show you how to maintain your 4-ton and 8-ton clickers. So you get two up top here, these fittings. So you just attach the grease gun and give 3 squirts. Repeat to this one. And then there's 2 more on the back that you grease, also 3 squirts per. So just like the 4-ton clicker, the 8-ton clicker needs grease as well. You have 2 fittings on the 8-ton, right here and here. The more you use your machine, the more you'll need to grease it. So keeping a routine maintenance schedule, this will keep it running at optimal performance. So as you can see, these clickers are very easy to maintain. They're made right out in our metal shop here in Mount Hope, Ohio. And if you have any questions, visit weaverleathersupply.com and we'd be happy to answer.